Hello everyone! Hello sa mga kamumo ko dyan! So, for today's video mga kamumo, naligaw po tayo ngayon dito sa City of Smile sa Bacolod. So, for today's video mga kamumo, samahan niyo ako dito sa Bacolod. Naimbitahan po tayo para umattend ng makeup workshop by Mark's Works of Passion dito sa West Town Hotel. So, ito yung lunch ko for today. And dito yung function hall nila. Napaaga yung kamomo girl niyo today, kaya may activity na binigay sa akin. Anyway, lahat pala kami is gagawa nitong paper art. Kung ano yung peg namin sa makeup or gusto namin na makeup. Road to Pro makeup artist talaga yung goal namin dito. Kaya yung kamomo girl nyo, focus na focus. Then, ito yung lumabas. Parang aswang ata yung gagawin ko dito, mga kamomo. Sorry naman, hindi ako magaling mag-makeup sa papel. By the way pala mga kamomo, si Miss Nail pala yung aming makeup trainer for today. So, nag-start na yung training namin and getting to know each other na kami dito ng mga kasama ko. I want nobody but you. 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 More on chikahan na lang kami dito mga kamomo. Kaya dito ko na lang i-end ang aking video for today. And thank you for watching mga kamomo. See you on my next video. Bye!
Di ba yun yung mga usually nasagot ng mga makeup artist? So that's brush. A powder brush pa pwede maging brush on brush. Brush on brush ito. Hindi mo pong pang ganito. Pwede ba ito ay eyeshadow? This is blush on brush. Kailangan na. Dami nga ng mga blush on brush na ganito lang nalilis na tama-tama lang nalilis sa cheek natin. Foundation brush. So this is a flat handle brush. My favorite. Sino may mga ganito lang sa mga brushes mo sa foundation brush? Meron akong experience. So one is a flat kabuki brush. I use this as eyeshadow brush. Guys, this is the big one. Fully. This is the eyeshadow brush. Ano sinabi under? Cleansing. Okay. Let us do cleansing. So, ang sabi natin is to wash our face with soap and water. That is very best. There are things sometimes na we're not able to wash our face in my mouth. So, hawa. Ikaw ang pinakauna natin. Cleansing tayo. Kasi ako dating ganun din, yung mga ka-cleansing ng mga kakulong. Kasi na yun, yung focus na sa mga hindi alam na tayo, take a face na. Okay, tayo. If I say the songs for you, when you put down in the bed, shawty, I'll be there for you. Okay, the reason why
everybody question me, it's the world, yeah. You be Maria, I'll be your Jane, yeah. Well, this is dangerous in love, girl. Shawty, we wanna go. London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we can go. Don't need no like it's na 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 na. Don't need no stress, girl, na 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 na. Sun's alright, girl. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you.
So, parang lalo na yung mga ano natin, yung mga paraan natin about with our fiber. The blue one is for dark spots. Yung mga nakitin na under eyes or dark spots. So, this is the color for. Sorry.